this is a really impressive speaker. The sound is really impressive in the controls. I'm just using the built-in mic on my camera. Obviously, my voice doesn't sound as good as it does when I use a mic, but that's because I want you to be able to compare my voice being picked up and the speaker. We're both about the same distance from the microphone, which is probably about 2.5 feet or 2 feet more or less. And I've already got this connected to my phone. My phone's in another room. It's connected through Bluetooth, but it's in another room. And you can long press this Bluetooth button to connect to a phone. And then you can control the sound using the play button. Play, pause. If I hit it twice, so hitting it twice is next track, once is play, pause, hitting it 3 times is previous track. You've got your volume controls here, and this is like a medium volume level right now. The level of sound coming out of this thing is pretty impressive. And then of course you've got bass boost.
Bass boost.
Now the bass boost isn't necessarily going to translate over the microphone of the camera and then to what you're listening to, but it does, when you turn on that bass boot, you do hear the bass boot, the sound coming, the bass, look, it just strengthens the bass a little bit, so. You can also use this with Google Assistant or Siri. So if I long press the play button. What time is it in China?
The time in China is 2 a.m. on Sunday.
And it goes back to playing your music. So really cool that you can access your assistant even without having your phone on you, just using this. You can also answer phone calls and talk on the phone with it as well.
Normal.
So I turn bass boot off just then. And I'm going to turn bass boot on, and I'm going to spin this so that you can see that 360 sound, that you're getting good sound no matter where you are in relation to the speaker.
Bass boost.
So they've done a really good job of that 360 sound, so you can sit this down and all around you get really good sound. Really great sounding. It's small, it looks good. The fact that it's waterproof, water resistant, the controls, you can control everything, the volume, you've got access to Google Assistant or Siri. You can use it for phone calls if you want to, not really the purpose I'm going to be using it for, but really excellent product, excellent sounding speaker. And definitely a speaker that I would recommend if you're looking for a great Bluetooth speaker. Then this is a great one. If you get 2 of these, you can pair them together and have stereo sound, true wireless stereo sound with 2 of them. So that's another bonus. Just a really awesome product. Definitely a speaker that I would recommend. Anyway, that's going to be it for this review. I'll have a link to this product on Amazon down in the description below. You click that link and jump over to Amazon, read what other people said about it, pick one up for yourself. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, and all that great stuff. Anyway, that's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.